Do you want to send high-quality media on WhatsApp? You can upload and send high-quality photos, videos, and other media with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to send high-quality media on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Sending high-quality media on WhatsApp is to share photos, videos, and other files without losing quality. To send high-quality media on WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, tap on the three dots menu at the top right of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. Now, scroll down to the Storage and Data section and tap on it. Here you will see the Media Upload Quality options. Tap on it. A pop-up screen will appear. In the pop-up screen, you will see two options, Standard Quality and HD Quality. Select HD Quality and tap on the Save button. Once enabled, go back to the chat list and navigate to the chat where you want to send the high-quality media. Now, choose any media type, such as photos, videos, and files that you want to send as you previously did. Now, the receiver will receive any media you send in high quality.